Okay, so a fork, something to mix with, something to mix in, and then a bottle of glue, and grab the baking soda and contact solution. So let's get on with it. Okay, here's
So should we make buffets up?
sure.
Okay, I'll be here.
Okay, she's going to go get the shaving cream and she'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to pour the glue in when she gets back. It should take like a second or two. She's coming now. I can hear her. Nope, she just opened the door. She's talking to someone.
Okay, so I got the shaving cream.
Okay,
So I got actually shaving foam. But okay,
let's try to open her paint. Oh yeah, and you need paint.
Well, it's optional, but yeah, whatever.
How do you even open it?
Wait, should I add this? Yeah.
Yeah, you add. Okay, so oh god,
I hate dumping out glue bottles because they take forever.
Okay.
Oh god, I can't even bend it because my fingers.
Do you have any like mouthwash we can use real quick? So they can actually see it.
Mouthwash?
Yeah, mouthwash.
Why?
So we could sit my phone on there, and they could see our slime. That's my tripod. We need water though.
Mine. Should I move the camera? Move my lighting? Make it a better lighting? Yeah, I should. Now I have to wait for this.
No, you don't. All you need to do is just.
Okay, I'm pretty.
Okay. We're just gonna set it down over here.
I'm gonna sit down by under here. Okay, I'm gonna move the
our lighting thing.
Our lighting is horrible. Jeez, I accidentally stepped on the cord.
Okay, so hold on. Sorry guys, we're talking too much. Oh god, my camera almost fell off.
Oh jeez.
This is my container tripod, so yeah. Okay. What if we just went like that and then we moved this in front of it?
No, because we're gonna have to need one. See? Okay.
Oh god. Our lighting's terrible. Oh god, sorry.
Very terrible. Okay, that should be perfect. Do not bump the table. Whatever you do not bump the table.
Okay,
now that's kind of better.
You just need to move it over a little so we can. Okay. I'm scared. Here, put that glue gun behind it.
Okay, that's gonna do nothing.
Oh, yep. There.
Oh, geez, that's better. Wait, that's embarrassing, but okay, I'm gonna add the paint first.
Yeah.
Where's our paint?
Our paint's over there.
Way over there.
Okay, so
my eyeballs hurt.
We have a light dark blue paint, but that's holding up my camera. Oh yeah. Oh god.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so now we got this.
Okay, I'm gonna use this color for the first one.
How'd you get it open?
I didn't fit on it. I'm pretty sure it's open already. Let's see if it's open. Oh, yep. I'm gonna make my leg.
Hopefully this don't stain it. It probably won't, would it?
No.
It's just blue cotton.
See, look at. That's pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit at a time so I can see what color I want it.
Ooh, I like mine. Look at mine.
Look at the color of mine. Mine's like a white blue cotton. Oh god.
Our lighting fell.
Yep. Oh god. Okay, if you guys could see this is the best color. Look at how pretty this color is.
Oh, perfect.
I might just add another little bit of each drop, but I want my